before I start, I would like to say you something that every depression should be punished by love. This nepotism may become someone's cause of depression today. This shitty nepotism needs to be boycotted. Sorry, I have mistaken it. It should be eradicated. In these 2 days, often we are seeing the word nepotism everywhere, but many of us don't know what is nepotism mean by before June 14, including me. It always said that truth will be revealed soon, but they haven't mentioned that it will happen after one's death. Now it was just spotlighted. If we need justice, we should march it ourselves. This nepotism had been ruling the Bollywood for years badly than other film industries. If it continues like this, then we have to lose some many talents like Sushant Singh Rajput. This word nepotism came to our vision only after the death of a real hero, Sushant Singh Rajput. Again, I'm repeating it, guys, after the death of the real hero who had a great personality. He not only became a star by acting in films, by also helping people and also by satisfying his fans' requests. Well, which celebrities following their fans, huh? Have you seen any of one? But Sushant did. He not only followed his fans but also replied for his fans' opinion. Guys, know that and remember that once he said that fans, we are his godfather. How could we let him be like this? I feel guilty for that. This is unfair for him to be avoided by the whole Bollywood family. We are also the reason behind it. We are the reason that we made the famed Bollywood stars, their kids, directors and production houses to feel more confident. We gave them a belief that we would watch a big stars film instead of budding stars film if both the films were releasing on the same day. Some actress is asking, who is Sushant? Oh well guys, is this seem like truth? How come they don't know a person in same industries? But after his death, they are tweeting like his close friend. Arey yaar, where you went when he got teased? And he consistently trolled by Karan Johar's show. Not only in Karan Johar's show, in many stages where he got onto.
Well, sir, he is no more. That you can't ask question to the guest about him. And also, he can't be hurted by the shitty answers like, oh, I don't know, I haven't seen any of his film. I hope you guys understand who said that. Although, why we are reacting after his death, huh? If we had listened to each of his words while his interview, we shouldn't have lost the real hero, right? Now we are recapping it and listening to each of his words. That we noticed that he used the word nepotism often in most of his interview. What are you going to do now? Will we raise voice for him? I'm afraid, guys, that this fire by us will become calm after some days. Lot of injustice happened to him, not one or two. Actually, he was a strong soul. He tolerated everything they done to him, also making him to feel worthless moreover catching his film. I have some question to ask Bollywood. He has committed to 5 to 6 films after Chichore, right? But why got snatched one by one? Why is this a matter of Bollywood? Why Bollywood avoided him totally? Because he is not a product of nepotism? And what about Ramlila and Befikre? Why he was replaced in this film? All these questions have to be answered, right? We want answer.
After all these, he didn't receive any awards for Chichore or Student of the Year 2. Which movie should be awarded? A movie with 8 IMDb or 2.3 IMDb? Arey yaar, this is unfair. You see, there is huge difference between these two films. If these all are the reason behind his suicide, then what we gonna do? A boy who was 13-year-old ended his life, leaving a note behind that even Sushant Singh can commit suicide, then why can't I? We know this is very heartbreaking. Even if it is a stupid action, it shows how he was affected by Sushant's death. Not only the 13-year-old kid, but all of us were affected. Not only because of his death and how he came through this kind of Bollywood society. He was not taken into Bollywood, but we took him in our hearts. As his brother or sister, we need justice for him. Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Even if it is not the reason for his death, we should be his voice for nepotism. Nepotism never rocks. Shame on whoever said nepotism rocks. Rest in peace, Sushant Bhai. One of your dreams completed that you helped us to achieve our dream. And we will try to complete your dream in the name of yours. You will be always in our heart and history of India. You are the best. May your soul be happy and dignified. You are the real hero, man. Bollywood needs to answer if this is reason behind his suicide. And this will not be taken as suicide, it will be taken as murder. We love you, Sushant Anna. Rest in peace. Bye from Purple Friends.